Welcome to Tech-splained by Fan. Today's video is all about making tablets easier to use with accessibility features. Whether you're setting up a tablet for someone with vision or hearing impairments, mobility challenges, or simply prefer a more user-friendly experience, these 5 tips will transform any tablet into a device that works for everyone. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Customize the display settings to improve visibility and reduce eye strain. Tablets come with built-in options to make screens more comfortable for all users. Here's how: increase text size, go to Settings, find Display or Accessibility, and look for text size or font size. Bigger text makes reading easier for anyone with vision impairments or tired eyes. Enable high contrast or bold text. This feature helps text and buttons stand out against backgrounds, which is useful for those with low vision. Turn on dark mode. Dark mode reduces glare and makes screens easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. On iPads, you'll find these options under Accessibility, while Android tablets have them under Display Settings. Tip number 2. Simplify the home screen to make it easier to navigate for anyone who struggles with cluttered icons or too many options. Here's how you can simplify things. Remove unused apps, hide or delete apps that aren't needed to create a clean, organized interface. Prioritize essential apps. Move key apps like messaging, video calls, emails, or entertainment apps to the first home screen. Use folders, group apps into categories like social, entertainment, and tools to make finding them faster. If you're using an Android tablet, you can also download custom launcher apps that simplify the layout even further, with larger icons and a streamlined design. Tip number 3. Use voice commands and assistants to simplify tasks. For individuals with limited mobility, trouble typing, or those who just prefer hands-free use, voice assistants are game changers. On iPads, activate Siri by saying, "Hey Siri," or hold the home or side button. Use commands like, "Call Mom," "Set a reminder for 2 p.m., or "Open YouTube." On Android tablets, enable Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google," and try commands like, "What's the weather today?" Open Spotify, or send a message to Alex. Voice assistants can also help with dictation, which is perfect for those who have difficulty typing. Tip number 4. Leverage accessibility features for vision and hearing needs. Tablets come with powerful tools to assist users. Zoom and magnification. Turn on Zoom on iPads or magnification on Android devices to enlarge parts of the screen. Great for reading small text. Screen readers. Enable VoiceOver, iPad, or TalkBack, Android, to read text and buttons aloud. This helps users with visual impairments navigate the tablet easily. Closed captions and sound adjustments. Turn on captions for videos and adjust audio settings like mono audio or hearing aid compatibility for those with hearing challenges. Spend a few minutes in the Accessibility menu to customize these features to your needs. Tip number 5. Choose apps that prioritize accessibility and ease of use. Here are some app suggestions. Voice communication apps. Apps like FaceTime, Zoom, and WhatsApp allow hands-free calling and video chats. Reading and listening apps. Kindle, Audible, and speech-to-text apps like VoiceDream Reader help with reading ebooks or listening to audiobooks. Health and reminder apps. Apps like Medisafe for medication reminders or Google Calendar for scheduling appointments make day-to-day tasks manageable. Entertainment apps with accessibility. YouTube, Netflix, and Spotify all offer closed captions, audio controls, and large, simple interfaces. Stick with apps that offer clear layouts, adjustable text, and easy navigation. To recap, here are 5 easy tips to make tablets more accessible for everyone. Adjust the display settings. Simplify the home screen for easy navigation. Enable voice commands and assistants. Use built-in accessibility features for vision and hearing needs. Install apps that are simple, clear, and accessible. With these tips, anyone can enjoy using a tablet, whether they're tech beginners, users with accessibility needs, or just people who love a clean and simple experience. If you found these tips helpful, let me know in the comments which feature you use the most or if you have any suggestions of your own. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the description for links to accessible apps and tablet recommendations. Thanks for watching Tech-splained by Fan, and I'll see you next time.